today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem you have on your Yuka app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you here to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down. Then you just click here on apps here. So you just click here on apps. Then it's going to take you to apps list here. In here can you're looking for Yuka app or just add it here on search. So add here Yuka app, then it's going to show for you. Sorry. So that it's going to show for you here. You click on it, then it's going to take you to when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and storage again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.